Here is another great intermediate exercise for your quadriceps or a grumpy knee. We call it the sliding wall squat. You'll back up against a wall and put your heels up high enough to around there so that they're around 45, your feet are around 45 degrees at an angle. Then you'll just slide down the wall as far as you can. These are really, really difficult. So a lot of people can only get down a few inches. That's totally fine. Go down as far as you can and then back up. And if it feels like your heels need to be a little bit lower and can't be quite that high, that's totally fine too. Just adjust them down a little bit. You'll feel your quadriceps working quite a lot. Shooting to do somewhere between 2 and 3 minutes, starting and stopping as needed. And if that feels like too much to you, just do what feels appropriate for you. That's the sliding wall squat. Enjoy.